problem based on statements. So here we are going to perform a problem which is based upon the statements under the advanced level. And now here in this regard we are going to consider three statements, that is one as P, the second one as Q, and the third one as R. When we assume a single set, then the possibilities are of true, either the statement may be either true or false, whereas here since we are assuming three statements, then the possibilities will be of 8. So here let us solve a problem under this, that is show that P or Q and R is identically equal to PRQ and PRR. In order to prove this condition, so we have to assume three statements, one as P, the second one as Q, and the third one as the R. So we have to show that P or Q and R is identically equals to PRQ and PRR. Solution starts now. So in our solution, as per the statement which is given to us, or as per the condition given is of PR, Q and R is identically equals to PRQ and PRR. Then now let us show or let us prove this condition by means of the truth table. So here by showing the given statement or the condition by means of the truth table. Then now, whereas in the next logical step, the condition is of PR, Q and R is identically equals to PRQ and PRR. Then now here truth table. So in our truth table we have to consider the three statements, one as P, the second one as Q, and the third one as the R. So here when we assume a single statement, the statement according to the statement I say here, it may be either true or false. Whereas here when we consider two statements, then the possibilities will be of 4. So whereas in this case we are considering three statements, then the possibilities will be of 8. Then now here as per the condition which is given or as per the statement which is given to us. So here in this statement, the left hand side statement, simple statement is of P, R, Q and R. So here we need the bracket, that is Q and as well as R. So first of all in the fourth column let us find out the Q and R. Then later let us find out the total entire left hand side, that is P, R, Q and R. Then whereas in the next column on the right hand side statement, so here first bracket is of P, R, Q. So this statement let us find out P, R, Q whereas in the next column let us find out the second bracket, the second simple statement, that is P or R. Then now here whereas in the last column, so we are going to find out the right hand side statement, that is PRQ and PRR. Then now let us give the column wise numbering. So here this is the first column, this is of second, this is of the third column, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth column, the seventh column, and this as the eighth one. Then now, so here the possibilities are of, we are assuming the three statements, so the possibilities will be of. So here the easy way of reminding these possibilities is of. So first of all let us take, in case of the first statement, that is P, so the 4 truth values as true and the next 4 truth values as false, and whereas in the next column, so in the first column we have assumed the first 4 truth values of the P are of true and the next 4 truth values of the P are of false. So this is the easy way of reminding the 8 possibilities. And whereas in the next column, that is Q, so since we have taken as here 4 truth values as true, now let us take 2. Say here I mean 2 truth values as true and the next 2 truth values as false. And in the similar manner let us take the next 2 truth values as true and the last 2 truth values as false. So here in the second column we have taken 2 at a time, whereas in the last column, that is the under the R, let us take 1 true and 1 false. Then now similarly, and in the similar manner we have to write as the remaining, so true and as well as false. So here these are the 8 possibilities. So here 8 possibilities are of, so all the 3 statements, all the 3 truth values of the P, Q, R are of true, and all the truth values of the P, Q and R statements are of false. So here if 2 truth values of true and 1 is of false, so here T, T and F, whereas here the possibilities of false, false and true, whereas in the next case T, F and T, whereas F, T and F. So first one is true and the next 2 are false, and the first one is false and the next 2 are true. So instead of reminding in this manner, the better, so easy way of reminding the 8 possibilities are of. So in the first column we have to take 4 truths as the truth values and the 4 false as the truth values. So here first one we have taken 4 at a time, in the next column we have to take 2 truths and the true falses, and similarly and so on. Whereas in the last column we have to take 1 true and 1 false, and similarly and so on. So these are the 8 possibilities of the 3 statements, that is P, Q and as well as R. Then now in the next column, that is